Hello and welcome back to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be showing you how you can retouch teeth within Photoshop. So we'll be showing you how you can make teeth whiter and brighter using Photoshop. So we've got this image from Unsplash which we've downloaded of a model's teeth, which you can tell is a little bit discoloured. So we're just going to change the teeth so it's a little bit brighter using Photoshop. So firstly, we want to start off by heading over to our filter options that we can apply to our layer of the photo, and we're going to select Vibrance. So when the Vibrance panel appears, there'll be two options you can choose from, so Saturation and Vibrance. So we're just going to decrease the Vibrance until it's a colour which we're happy with for the teeth. So I usually say from -50 onwards is usually a good range for increasing the brightness of the teeth, but it may vary depending on the discolouring of the teeth or depending on the photo that you're using. So I'm quite happy with -6, -60. So next we're going to head over to Image Adjustments, and we're just going to select Invert, and this will flip the saturation for us on the layer mask. Now we're going to head over to the brush tool, and we're just going to choose a soft rounded brush, and we're just going to ensure that the hardness of the brush is at 0%, and we just want to turn down the opacity, so we'll go with 55% for the opacity. And all we're simply going to do is ensure that the layer mask has been selected, and then we're just going to use the brush tool to paint over the teeth. And you'll notice as you paint over it, the teeth will start to become brighter, giving that white effect. Just when you're doing it, just be mindful that you don't go over the gums, because the gums will start to lose the red colour and start to become a little bit lighter. So just try and just stay over the teeth if possible. And there you go, we've brightened the teeth of the image within a matter of seconds. Hope this is a handy Photoshop tutorial and one that you can use in future design projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds.